Hello, my name is Anna, and I'm going to explain to you how I use the Insitu Art Room app. It's an app for both Android and iPhone, but this is on an iPhone, so I'm going to explain how it works here. Okay, so this is my desktop, and I just click on the icon, and it opens like this. I get a list of all the pretty rooms available. If I scroll down, I first see the 3 free rooms available, and then I see the premium ones. This is a nice way to see all the rooms in a large scale. But if I want to find a particular room, then I just have to click on the symbol, the plus sign in the lower right corner, and then I can search by category. So let's say I want a dining area for a painting I have, so I click on dining areas, and then I choose the one that I want. Okay, so I'm going to go for this one. Okay, so now I'm here. I have a menu on the bottom. To the left, that symbol that is a painting or a room, it takes me back to the list of rooms. And the second one from the left is where I upload my artwork. So I click on it and I choose if I want to pick the painting, the photo, the picture of the painting from my camera or from my gallery. I'll choose my gallery and I click on the camera roll because there is where I have my artwork. Okay, so it uploads like this. I use my fingers to just make it smaller. This is really easy. I don't have to write the numbers, the size or anything. I just use my eye measure and I think this looks great. So I'll leave it there. And then I want a frame. So the symbol in the middle is where I can find the frames. Okay, so I'll try just to give it a shadow. It looks really nice, but let me try another frame, like solid black frame. Looks nice too. Okay, I will try a black float frame. Okay, moved a little bit, but I move it back. Okay. Yeah, I think that is nice, but I'm going to go for the shadow. Okay, so now I want to save it. Then I use the fourth symbol from the left with the arrow facing downwards. Okay, so then it will save to my phone. Okay, and I get a message that it is saved and that I can use a hashtag InsituArtRoom on social media. And I can also get a chance to be featured if I use the hashtag. Okay, but I don't want to share it. I just click on later so I can continue. Okay, and to the right, in the lower right corner, I have a share button too, so I can choose to share it with my messages on Twitter or WhatsApp, Gmail, Teams if you have Microsoft, or I can just like print it out if I want to. Okay, but I think I'm done.